How to get Thorns 255 armor in Minecraft. So first, make sure that your cheats and commands are enabled, and to do that, just simply click on escape, click on open to LAN, and make sure that allow commands is turned on. Then just simply click on start LAN world. Now after that, just copy the commands that I will put in the description of this video. So just simply click on C on your keyboard to open up the command line, then just simply paste the command that I will put in the description. Click on enter, and now you have your helmet. If you want the set, you simply need to click on and paste the command again and replace the helmet word here on the command to chest plate. Then click on enter and just simply repeat the process. Replace helmet with leggings, just like so. Enter, and lastly our boots. Paste the command again, but replace helmet with boots, just like this one. Click on enter. Now once it's done, as you can see, we now have the Netherite or the Thorns 255 enchantment armor set in our inventory, and now you could basically equip them if you want. And that's how you basically get the Thorns 255 armor in Minecraft.